Hey guys, I've been wanting to do this investing challenge for a long time. I want to learn about investing and stocks and the market, all from watching YouTube in just 7 days. And for full disclosure, I'm just a regular middle-class dude. I work a 9-to-5 office job. I save some money every month, but I have no idea what to do with it. So this is going to be my first time dabbling with this personal finance stuff. And so I'm excited. I can't wait to see what I learn. And yeah, I'll check back with you guys in a week. Hey guys, it's me. It's been 7 days. Yeah. So what you're seeing right now is my home being foreclosed. I had to default on my mortgage. I also just filed for bankruptcy. A lot can happen in just a week, right? I was actually let go from my job as well because of my debt and the nosedive of my credit score, and the fact that I can't afford to live in this area anymore. And my wife is leaving me. Although, to be fair, the divorce isn't because of the investments that I made this week, but because apparently I can't pleasure her. I mean, that fucking bitch. So yeah, I guess on the bright side, I have a lot of free time now, and I can tell you about what I learned in these 7 days about investing from watching YouTube. So the first thing that I learned is that the market is crashing every day. The market doesn't have like up and down, green and red days. The financial markets, the real estate markets, they are in like a perpetual state of crash. And the US dollar is worthless. Inflation is so rampant. So I think that if you try to buy even like a coffee with a US dollar, they're just gonna be like, what the fuck is that? Where's your gold? So yeah, that's the first big takeaway. The next thing that I learned is that while the entire market is crashing every day, simultaneously, all these stocks are going to the moon. So many stocks, and they're all going 10x, 100x, 1000x, and everything is a short squeeze, and you won't believe what Tesla just did. And what did Daffy Wood just do? Sorry about that, guys. I just passed out. The last thing I learned is that even if you lose all of your money from investing based off what YouTubers say, it's all just about having fun at the end of the day, right? It's just entertainment for these YouTubers, just jokey jokes to blow up the savings accounts of often the uneducated and desperate viewers watching them, who, out of not knowing the risks, look to them for information. So yeah, cool little lesson there. Guys, this was really a awesome challenge despite what happened, and I hope I can do another challenge like this soon. But probably I'm going to get addicted to opioids and never see you guys again. So, bye.